The most exciting thing you can possibly do on Earth is get away from it. Jump into a rocket and blast into space. Rockets always seem to be firing us into the future, but their basic technology is rooted far in the past, in firework-like missiles developed 800 years ago in 13th century China. Have you noticed what happens when you let the air out of a balloon? The air goes one way and the balloon goes in the opposite direction. Rockets work in much the same way. The exhaust gases coming out of the rocket nozzle push the rocket forward. This push is called thrust. It depends on the mass and the speed of the gases that are being fired, and also the shape of the nozzle that squirts these gases in a high-velocity jet. Once a rocket engine develops enough power, its thrust force becomes bigger than its own weight, and so the rocket climbs in the sky. Rockets need to burn a humongous amount of fuel so quickly in order to overcome Earth's gravity. Only when they reach a speed of 28,000 km per hour are they traveling fast enough to enter the orbit. A rocket contains about 3 million parts of all shapes and sizes. Modern rockets work like 2 or 3 independent rockets stuck together to form what we call stages. Each stage may have its own propulsion system, electronics and structure, though typically only the final stage contains the rocket's all-important payload. Once a stage uses up all of its fuel, it is separated to get rid of the useless mass. It then usually falls in an ocean far away from the populated area or gets burnt in the atmosphere, and only the upper stage reaches the rocket's final destination. Since the first liquid-based rockets soared into the sky in 1926, rockets have ferried more than 500 people, thousands of satellites, and quite a few unmanned probes in the deep darkness beyond Earth.